Back to mission NCERT CBSE board. Today we shall study science chapter 10. Title of the chapter is light, reflection and refraction. Light, reflection and refraction. Light, reflection and refraction. प्यारे बच्चों, कोई भी चैप्टर हो उसको अच्छी तरह से समझने के लिए, to make the better understanding of any chapter, of any subject in any class, very first step is to get familiar with the terms and definitions of certain words given in the chapter. Very first thing is that you can see here chapter 10, light. Then you must know what is light. Then comes next terms, reflection and refraction. What is reflection? Then comes refraction. What is refraction? Okay, so in the beginning we will try to understand these three terms, light, reflection and refraction, in a very common language. Okay, very common language. We will not be very technical here, because our priority is to get familiar with the given set of terms. First is light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which gives us sensation of vision. Now you can see I am standing here and you are watching at the words. You are looking at the words. You can see all this. You can see me. How it is possible? It is very interesting subject. It is very interesting topic, that how it is possible that you are able to see me and I am able to look at the camera of the phone. I am able to write all these things by watching by my eyes. How it is possible? It is possible because of light and reflection and refraction. The definition, meaning of this term will make it more clear. What do you mean by the reflection? Reflection, simply it means bouncing back. Bouncing back. Bouncing back of what? Bouncing back of what? It is bouncing back of light. Now how we can see in watching anything, to be able to see anything, there must be light. Suppose this light is not there, then I won't be able to see anything, and you, not only you, nobody will be able to see if there is no light is not there. Okay, the very first priority, very first requirement to see the things, the objects, it is light. Okay, that is source of light. As you know that sun is the largest source of light for us, okay, on this earth. So in day we can see everything very clear because there is lot of light is there. Okay, then what happens, suppose light from my eyes will travel and it will fall on the object, on any object which I want to see. Suppose I want to see my camera, the very camera, my books, this marker, what will happen, the light will fall on this and it will bounce back. This light will bounce back to my eyes. Then I will be able to perceive that yes, it is marker. So this is the simple thing. Suppose you wish to see this tree. You are standing here, you want to see it, sun is there, light is there. Then first the light will go from your eyes and it will fall on the tree, then again it will bounce back in your eyes. Then you will be able to see that there is a tree. Okay, simple. Now come, what is refraction? What is refraction? Refraction, very simply to say, refraction means to shifting of light, bending of light. Any other term you can suggest for the refraction? Deflect. Suppose light is traveling from one medium to another medium. Now next, what is medium? Like whether it is vacuum, air, water, they are called mediums for light to travel. Suppose light is traveling from air to water. Suppose it is water. Okay, and ray of light is coming this side. Then it will seem like it has a band like this. You will see in the water that the light will appear having a band, a twist. It will appear that it has shifted from its regular path. Okay, so one more thing is that light seems to travel in a straight line. Light seems to travel in a straight line. So this must be its path, but it has bend. Why? there is change of medium. Earlier it was traveling in air and now it has entered into water. This is called refraction. Shifting of light, bend in light in the and deflect in light. It's called the refraction. So these are very basic terms, and we need to know what do these words mean. What does light mean? What does reflection mean? What does refraction mean? Very first step is this, to get familiar with the terms, definitions which are being used in the chapter. Then only we will be able to know that what about the chapter is. Okay, light, reflection and refraction. Next we will see certain more words, definitions, terms. There is a term spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. First let me wipe it out so that I can have space to explain more. Spherical mirror and plane mirror. In spherical mirror you will see that mirror, the reflecting area. See, one more thing, reflecting area. Surface. What is reflecting surface? Suppose we wish to see any object where the rays falls and reflects. Okay, it is called the reflecting surface. So plane mirror, what is plane mirror? Plane mirror is very simply a plane mirror. Okay, there is no curves. No curves are there. Simply simple. Plane and spherical mirror. In spherical mirror we will talk about two set of mirrors, concave and convex mirror. In both of the mirrors, common thing is that both of the mirrors are spherical mirror, and by virtue of being spherical mirror, concave and convex mirrors have curves. Or curved reflecting surface. Like, see, Okay, and another one is, this is concave, and this one is convex. Here what you see, it is curved inwards, and this one is curved outwards. This is curved inwards, and convex is curved outwards. So on the basis of this feature, you can define what is concave mirror. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror which is curved inwards, or the surface, this reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface of this one, reflecting surface. देखो, by virtue of reflecting surface, on the basis of reflecting surface, we can distinguish that which one is concave and which one is convex. Where reflecting surface is this, where the rays of light gets reflected, if it is inside, not this side, inside, it is concave. And where the reflecting surface is outside the spherical mirror, then it is convex. In this case, the rays will reflected here inside. You fall here and you reflect again here, okay, and it will reflect your reflected. And in this case, rays will fall here because this area is reflecting surface. Okay, so concave mirror and convex mirror. What is basic difference? This mirror is curved, the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror, that is concave, is curved inwards, and in case of convex mirror, the reflecting surface lies outwards. As it is curved outwards. One more difference and you can make the experiment of this one. If the mirror, you get a mirror, okay, and you get it in sunshine, okay, in this mirror, this is the reflecting surface, rays from the sun will here, and all these rays of light after getting reflected will merge in a point, at a point, all will merge at a point, and if you put any piece of paper where this point will fall, piece of paper, this piece of paper will start burning after some time. Why? Because all the rays of the sun after getting reflected are merged at one point, and in this case, in case of convex lens, okay, sunshine will fall, all the lines will get scattered. There is no merging point of these lines. This is another difference, and these differences between concave mirror and convex mirror are very fundamental, and as we will proceed ahead, we will see some more features of both of the spherical mirrors. This is just for the definitional purpose, so that we can get familiar with the given set of terms. Next comes there are we will discuss some laws also are there of refraction, light and diffraction. We will talk about the laws. Two laws are there. See, this is plane. Okay, rays falls on this. Rays comes from any source of light. It may be sun, it may be torch, it may be anything which is emitting light, and it strikes on this plane, it falls on the plane. Okay, it gets, this ray of light gets incident on this point, and it reflects this way. And here at the middle of both the rays, which is called normal, you can term it as normal. Okay, so this is the angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. The very first rule is that angle of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 is the incident ray and the reflecting ray and the normal lies on the same plane. This is called plane. Okay, then incident ray reflected ray and normal lies on the same plane. There are two basic laws related with light and its reflection. light, its incidence and its reflection. Now what is incidence? Incidence, very simply, it is called falling of ray or striking of the ray at any given point of any given object. The fall of the ray, striking of the ray is called incidence. Falling or striking, strike, like this. See, this is marker. Now this coming this way and it is striking on this, on the surface of this board. It is striking on the surface of this board. Okay.